Look at this cabbage boil, y'all. Look at this. Oh my God. Ooh. Yes, yes, yes. Welcome to my craving series, episode 7. And no, your girl is not pregnant. Hey Saiylors, it's your girl, Sailor Moon, and welcome back to my channel. Hey. Welcome to my craving series, episode... Hold on, what craving series are we on?
I was craving chili. I was craving some cream. I was craving.
Okay, wait. Okay, we on episode 7. And no, your girl is not pregnant. I already clarified that in my Q&A video, but let's move right along. Today, I'm making the cabbage boil. Oh my gosh, I am so excited because y'all, I seen this cabbage boil like everywhere. And I know I'm like very late. And I don't know, something just popped up and was like, you know what? I really want a cabbage boil. As you can see, I got my cabbage here and I bought it like days ago. It's been in the fridge, which is why it's all like, I guess, I don't know, flaky is the word. But yes, it's been in the fridge. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna peel off layers of it, a couple layers. There we go. Now this look like a fresh, nice sized cabbage. Let's make this cabbage boil. Oh! First things first, I'm gonna go ahead and wash it to my best ability. All right, so now I'm going to pat dry it. And listen, this is not gonna be an ordinary cabbage boil. I've seen everybody just make the cabbage or whatever like that, but I feel like that's not enough. I want some, I don't know, toppings, you know? Ain't no boil without toppings. So I decided to make it with some sausage and some shrimp. This is the brand that I'm gonna be using. It's a turkey sausage, hardwood smoked, new and approved. So this is what I'm gonna be adding to the cabbage boil. And then I got some shrimp that's thawing out over there. All right, so now what I seen people do was cut the center of the cabbage. So that's what I'm gonna do. See, this is a good knife right here because I've seen a lot of people struggling saying it's so hard. I'll take it off like this. This is definitely the hardest part about the boil. I finally got that done. I don't know if y'all can see correctly. Y'all see this? This is a nice size hole that I made. Now I'm going to poke the cabbage everywhere so all the flavor and everything can, you know, soak in and activate in this cabbage. So I'm gonna poke it everywhere, child. Now I'm gonna grab a baking dish and some aluminum foil. I'm gonna pour avocado all over it. Okay, now I'm gonna season. I'm gonna season it with some salt, some black pepper, y'all, have y'all tried the cabbage boil before? I hope this tastes good. I mean, it looks good online, but let me know if y'all had it before, if y'all tried it, and how did it taste? Would y'all make it again? Would y'all eat it again? Basically, you're gonna season this like you're making a seafood boil, basically, however you season your boil. Put some Old Bay in here. I do like this Kinder's buttery steakhouse seasoning, so I'm definitely gonna use that. I can't lie, this looking a little good already. I'm gonna use some garlic powder, onion powder. Your girl is running low. I'm gonna use some paprika for like some color. And then I'm gonna use some Cajun seasoning. I love Cajun seasoning so bad. And then I'm gonna put some brown sugar in it, like a spoon full. You know what? Let me just. And yes, I said brown sugar. What they be saying, don't knock it till you try it, child. Because I love brown sugar in my seafood boils. So I feel like with the cabbage and stuff, I don't know. It might be good. And then I'm going to squeeze some lemon juice all over. Because I love lemon juice in my seafood boil. Ooh, this looking good. All right. I was debating if I should add some chicken bouillon because I did add the buttery steakhouse seasoning and I believe it got like salt and stuff in it. I don't know. But then again, I'm trying to figure out how all of the seasoning is going to really seep into the cabbage. So I feel like this is not enough seasoning. So yeah, I'm going to show y'all. This is how I seasoned it. I don't know if y'all can see it clearly, but this is how it's seasoned. Now I'm going to insert some garlic in there, and I got some fresh garlic right here. I'm going to, oh, this kid, what the, y'all, this is the first time, like, I easily peeled off the garlic. I didn't even touch it, y'all. I didn't even do nothing to it, and it already came off. That's crazy. This was the smoothest. Wow, look, y'all. The skin came off the garlic. This is how much garlic I'm going to use to put in. And I'm going to basically put it inside the whole of the cabbage. Now see, got the garlic inside. This is looking so good. Now I'm going to cut a half stick of butter and stick it in the hole. I'm going to put this much of butter in there. Is all this butter gonna fit inside? Look, we're gonna make it fit, okay? All right. Okay, now I'm gonna add a little bit of water in here to keep it moisturized and saucy and buttery and just everything that I need for this cabbage boil. I'm gonna pour a little bit of water on the inside. You know, I'm gonna just pour all of that, yep. Now, we're gonna cover this bad boy with aluminum foil. Okay, I need some more aluminum foil. I don't want any flavor escaping, okay? I want it fully covered, fully wrapped. I want the flavor to lock in. All right, so that's it. That was fast, quick, and easy. Now I'm just gonna put it in the oven for like 400 for 2 hours. Yes, I said it, 2 hours. Siri, set timer to 2 hours.
2 hours starting now.
That's good enough time to prepare the sausages and the shrimp. And you know what? I might throw some eggs in there too, okay? That's what you call a boil. We're gonna make a real cabbage boil, okay? I got some sausage. I cut half of it off because I don't need the entire sausage. I could save it for later, but I'm gonna basically slice them. Normally I slice it diagonally, but I don't know. I feel like chopping them like this. I don't know, like this size. I never had this turkey sausage brand before, so I'm definitely excited to see how it tastes. And y'all, I'm just excited, period. Like, I love me some boil. And I don't know why I feel like I'm making a seafood boil. I guess that's what's making me so excited. I feel like I'm about to eat some seafood. My mouth is watering right now because I don't know why. I feel like this cabbage boil is going to be so good. I can just feel it. So it's all cut up. And my shrimp is done being thawed out. I'm gonna go ahead and start cleaning my shrimp. I think the eggs are done boiling, just a couple more minutes. And my timer says 53 minutes. Oh my gosh, 53 minutes? I'm trying to eat right now. Okay, so yeah, I'm gonna start cooking my sausages. I'm gonna make the shrimp, and then after I'm gonna make the sauce for the cabbage boil. So let me just pour a little bit of olive oil in a pan. And there's no need to season the sausages, y'all. The sausages already got flavor in it. I just got some olive oil, and I'm just going to um, give the sausage some texture, because y'all, there's a lot of flavor up in that cabbage. Okay, so I'm not going to do anything to the sausage. The sausage is fine. It just need a crisp texture. And then the shrimp, I'm just going to season it a tad bit and then get some crispy edges on it as well too. I know this cabbage boil is gonna be so good. It's gonna be tea, okay? It's gonna be good. I could tell. I can just, you guys. Oh my gosh. Y'all, I just opened up this oven. I can smell all of the flavors. I can smell the garlic, the butter, the Cajun seasoning, the brown sugar. I can smell everything, everything. Listen, if this comes out really good, the next time, I'm going to make it like a real boil. I'm going to have corn, potatoes, sausages, eggs, you name it, okay? I'm going to have everything in there. All right, this thing popping. Hold up. This thing's sizzling. Oh. Okay, hold up. This thing is too high. Oh, look, all I'm asking is for just a little bit of crispiness. That's all. One was already ready, and y'all already know I can't resist. Oh, these things so good. Okay, I like the turkey sausage. This is the shrimp. I seasoned it just a tad bit. All I did was throw this in it and a little bit of dazzle of onion powder or whatever. That's all I did. And the cabbage boil is already gonna have all that flavor, so it's no need for me to season the shrimp like that. And then I want the shrimp to have a nice little texture too. And then I did cut some onions and some garlic, and that's gonna be for the sauce. So basically all the seasonings I basically put on the cabbage, that's gonna be the sauce. I'm just gonna add some butter and some onions, and y'all, it's gonna be so good. All the seasonings, onions, butter, garlic, and it's gonna be very flavorful. And yes, I already know the shrimp is already cooked. I know, I'm cooking it again. Like, I'm not just gonna take it out, thaw it, and just start eating it and put in a sauce. No, I like to cook it one more time, just a little bit. At least let me make it a little crispy on the edges. It ain't cooked until I say it's cooked. It's looking delicious. All right, now I'm gonna make the buttered sauce. This is only a half a stick of butter. I need some more butter. I'm gonna put some more butter in here. I'm gonna throw in the garlic and the onions. Yep, definitely need some more butter. Throw that in there. I'm gonna season this butter up with all of the seasonings I used before. Besides salt, I'm not gonna add no salt in it. I'm gonna add some brown sugar. That's like a spoon of it. I'm gonna add some paprika for color, black pepper, some Old Bay. And as I'm adding it, I'm gonna stir it around. Let me put this on low, because I don't want this to burn. Oh my gosh, this is looking delicious. It's looking so good. I'm gonna add some Cajun, garlic. And you know, should I add the Kinders? I'm gonna add a little bit, because I feel like this is just enough. Wow, this looks beautiful. This looks amazing. Y'all look. Ooh, look at this. I think everything is ready. Now it's time to open up this bad boy. We're gonna open up the cabbage. We're gonna pour everything. We're gonna make it look artistic and delicious. I got the sauce right here. Look at this goodness. I got the eggs, shrimp, and sausages. All right, let's open this up. Ooh, this thing is hot. I'm gonna throw the eggs in here. Little egg in here, egg there. Now, time for the best part. Amazing. Wow. Here, this is y'all bite right here. Look at this cabbage boil, y'all. Look at this. It looks amazing. Mmm. This is good. Ooh. Yes, yes, yes. Look, I gotta go. I'll call y'all back. I'll see y'all on the next episode. So y'all make sure y'all stay. Go ahead, make it at home, do it yourself, and y'all gonna see. When you make it like this, nobody can tell you nothing. Look, I gotta go. I'll call y'all back. I'll see y'all on the next episode, so make sure y'all stay tuned. Hee hee.